Stay seated. Make some noise. Give the captain a big hand for getting us in the water, please. It's coming down. Sometimes it hit us, I'm not gonna lie. Make some noise, everybody, make some noise. All right, guys. So, I was talking about the Venetian Causeway behind you guys. Look at the Venetian Causeway, everybody. Now, before the Venetian Causeway there was another bridge that ran that course called the... Leave it alone. Here we go, folks. Ready? Make a lot of noise. Move it, move it, move it, move it. Did we make it? Give the captain a big hand for getting us back on land. How you doing, Al? Named in Big Water, except in their language, it sounds like Miami. Now look at the colorful building on the right, guys. It's the Miami Children's Museum. In front, there's a sculpture by famous Brazilian artist Romero Brito. Right there. Romero Brito is very popular in Miami. He's got a gallery in Lincoln Road. A year ago, he had an exhibit in Paris at the Louvre. Say it, Louvre, because it's fancy, Steve. They don't have the dogs playing poker painting in that museum. You know there's a Cuban version of that painting. They're playing dominoes. Back to school. So, I told you about two things that are listed, say, Miami. Miami Vice and the Cuban migration. Number 3 has got to do with where we're going by on the right. Port Miami, it's the busiest cruise terminal in the world. Last year alone, we saw 4 million passengers coming through. Now, is there anybody in this boat that has never been on a cruise ship before? Raise your hand. Well, next time you go on vacation, Michelle, you need to go on one. It's the best vacation in the world. Stop there, Christine. By the way, that's Fisher Island. Cream-colored buildings with terracotta roofs. And I know it doesn't look expensive, but it is because it's private, Tino. See, if we had the water guns, we could get the people in the boat. What's up, player? Yeah, can you go on land? You want to battle? Now, oh, RuPaul's Drag Race. It's a good show. Speaking of television shows, I'll go back to mention in a second, but Miami Inc., the reality show on TLC on your left, 1360 Washington. right there, where it says tattoo. That's where they shot that show. Mansion in 1998 was called Glam Slam and was owned by Prince. This is old Miami Beach High on your left, guys. And right next to it, you're gonna see a historic street here called Española Way. I'm gonna point out a hotel called Clay Hotel. Right there. In 1948, a not very well-known entertainer by the name of Desi Arnaz had a rumba act at the Clay Hotel. He went on to gain world fame. And I Love Lucy was the name of his... up on your right, it's called Bella Cuba. Right there. Hi, Mishka. Alright, so that's a New World Symphony right there. You see that?